Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Nothing fancy today. Kicking off the official countdown to Christmas with some Christmas cookie vanilla Cavendish mix, which I call Santa sugar cookie. I definitely would not want this every day, but it is a nice seasonal change of pace. Oh, and pipe is my Peterson Baskerville. I'd call that an oompal. Kind of was my Burley Supreme pipe, it still is, which is kind of nice. The ghost of Burley Supreme brings a little added character to the Christmas cookie, or Santa sugar cookie, I should say. So we're nearing the end of another illness in the Paladin household. Not 100% sure what it was again, but my son came down with something that knocked him down for 5 days. My wife and I have been okay thus far. We're just waiting for the hammer to fall if it's going to hit us. We didn't put him through testing or anything, so, but he's getting better. He's got a nativity play at school where he is playing the innkeeper that turned Mary and Joseph away. Hopefully, he'll be able to go. Decided we'd make that call in the morning, because while his actions were exhibiting that he wasn't sick today, his temperature said otherwise. So anyway, thought I'd give you a couple updates. Got the Codger Hour coming out. The Christmas special Christmas Codger Hour. There's going to be some special stuff in that, so hopefully you'll stay for the whole thing. It's going to be on the Briar Report, so it'll give you all the updates on there. It's going to be the 22nd at 7 p.m. I'm still working on trying to get my OBS to where I want it, to do Codger Hours that are live and pre-recorded together. I don't know, you guys will have to tell me if you like all the pre-recorded stuff or the, all the effects, and I'll keep trying to do it that way. Maybe I'll, like I said, integrate OBS. If not, I may just do some Codger Hour lives once a month, just hit the live button. So it won't be as fancy, but I was watching Mark Spade the other day, and he was talking about he went through a whole tin of Maltese Falcon with one pipe, and he really liked how it evolved in that one pipe. and asked us, do you dedicate a pipe to a certain blend? And I wrote him back on there, on his video. And this is reminding me of it because Santa's Sugar Cookie does not sing in this like Burley Supreme sings in this. And I'm committing sacrilege by changing up the blend in this pipe. But if you're new to my channel, I made a video a while back, and you can search it for the deep details of everything. But basically, I kind of smoke everything through a pipe and find what blend, what I call sings the best in it, where you really get all the nuanced flavors. Of that blend. And that's usually the pipe I smoke that blend in. So my big examples are the Paladin pipe, which I haven't gotten out in a while. I need to do that. I put everything through that pipe, and then I put Paladin Black Cherry through it, and that was the Paladin pipe from then on. I mean, it was just great. And every time I've had Paladin out of that pipe, it's never disappointed me. Burley Supreme in this pipe. Great, every time. Santa Sugar Cookie in this pipe, not so good. Not that it's bad, it's just not what Burley Supreme is in this pipe. Santa Sugar Cookie really doesn't have a pipe. On my Codger Corner is my little Medico standard. I put that stuff through everything. And to me, as far as the briars go, that little Medico standard is it. Prince Albert, he owns the turf of my J. Mouton Bing. Pretty much. Other than I have to admit, I've not had Prince Albert in a cob. I know, take my conjure card. But I'm going to remedy that soon. Velvet in my Medico Kensington. I mean, Velvet in the cob's good, half and half is good in the cob, but in that Kensington, nothing's been better than that Velvet. But I do think it is part of the cake of all the old ghosts that are in there, kind of enriching that, seasoning that briar to that blend. With that being said, I have several other pipes. I'll tell you the other one, my Dr. Grayboe, that's falling apart. I need to smoke it more, but it's on its last leg. It's a little Rhodesian that I put blend for Danny Kaye in. Pretty much. I mean, sometimes I'll put Distinguished Gentleman in it, but that's about it these days. And it started as just a Latakia pipe. I threw anything with Latakia in it. But it wasn't really until Distinguished Gentleman and or Danny Kaye, and they kind of go back and forth where they sing in that pipe. But I joke with Average John probably at least once a week, and this is where curmudgeon pipers kind of cringe, that every pipe is a half and half pipe. He said, I got like 5 half and half pipes. I said, I got like an 81. But it is good to get to know a blend really well in a pipe that you really like, or at least in several pipes, and then when you find that pipe that blend just melds with really good, it'll sing, it'll just pop. All of the nuances will just pop in that blend. And that's the marriage for me. So I'm like, all right, those two are together. I apologize if you're hearing some static. You're on my little faux fireplace here, but I didn't want to do a big get up and have a real fire tonight. It's raining, and it's not raining that hard anymore. It was raining all day, and then it's kind of late, so I'll just hop on here and give you some updates. Who knows, I may make one more video before the Cadre Hour. I've just got to put the finishing touches on it. Oh, I'll say something else I watched. I watched Pork Roll Piper. Pork Roll. Pork Piper? Something? Pork Roll. He tried Cold Blood Red Moon. And the first time I tried Cold Blood Red Moon, I'm pretty sure I had COVID initially, before it was really cool to have COVID. And the second time I tried it, it was much better. But I will say, one new cherry blend that I have been loving, which I swear is the old Paladin recipe, and when I run out of my Paladin, that's the one that I love, which eventually I will. Thanks to all you wonderful guys at the YTPC, I have probably about 12 to 15 pouches left. Boswell's Black Cherry is the original Paladin. It's pretty darn close. A little bit more Cavendished. More Cavendish forward, so it's a little sweeter, but that same profile cherry chocolate that made me fall in love with the hobby. So all right, well, 12 minutes, about nothing. Appreciate y'all hanging with me, and as always, we'll see you very soon on the Paladin Piper channel. Take care, guys.